This was a simple test in the cold. 0 degrees, fresh snow, and one question. How long will the Neo 2 keep flying before the automatic return to home activates? This isn't a test to see how long I can keep the drone in the air. I'm not trying to reach the maximum flight time. What I'm testing here is something much more practical. How many real, usable minutes you can actually film and fly before the drone decides it needs to turn around on its own. Because once RTH activates in the real world, you're not filming anymore. You're just getting the drone home safely. So the moment RTH kicks in is the moment your functional flight time ends. While the clock runs in the corner, you can see the battery slowly dropping as the drone keeps flying through the cold air. Cold temperatures drain batteries faster, and recording video drains them even more. So this test is simply about watching the percentage fall until the safety system takes over. I didn't fly far, just enough to keep the motors working, and let the temperature do its job. And as the minutes pass, you can see the battery getting lower and lower, until eventually the RTH warning appears, and the Neo 2 turns itself around automatically. I didn't cancel the RTH, because that's the whole point of this test. I wanted to see exactly when the drone decides that it's time to come home. And when I checked the footage afterwards, the full flight, from takeoff to automatic return to home, lasted 7 minutes and 31 seconds. And after the drone returned and landed, there was still 19% battery remaining. A tiny drone, a cold winter day, and a simple, practical question. How many minutes of real flying and filming do you actually get before safety takes over?